Hello everyone, welcome back to Pocket Learning Channel. So in today's video, we are going to cover union operator. So basically in MySQL, union and union op are used to combine the results sets of two or more select statements. So if we want to write two select statements in a single query and you want to combine the result of both the select statements, in that case, you can use union operator. So we'll execute a query and we'll see how it works. Before going into the query, I'll explain you what are the main differences of union and union op. So in union, it doesn't allow any duplicate values. Like it performs a implicit distinct operation to filter out the duplicates. In the sense, it doesn't allow any duplicates or it removes the duplicate rows. So by removing the duplicate rows, it has some drawbacks also when you are executing it on a heavy database, uh, which contains lot of data. So it might slower the performance. So in the same way, if we look at union all, so union all also works same, but it combines the result sets without any without removing duplicates. So it won't remove any duplicates. So obviously the performance will be faster when compared to union operator. So these are the main key differences of union and union op. Let's execute a query and we'll see how it works. So as we have seen, we have different tables. So let's write a query, normal select query, features, underscore performance, and we'll check the columns. For And we'll check the columns. You can see teacher ID, evaluation date, subject, student feedback score, peer review score, admin evaluation score, overall score, and comments. So in the same way, we'll check columns of teacher training. Before going into that, I'll just ping the tab for teachers. Let's go training. So now in this, there are teacher ID, training date, subject, training score, and comments. So what I'll do, I'll be checking the training score of that teacher ID, particular employee, and also overall performance score from the performance table. So let's write a query. So in this, I'll take select teacher underscore ID as ID, and I'll take as subject so that we'll be defining the subject against the teacher ID. So I'll take overall score, the score, and I'll take it as score, make it a common column. So I also take the source of the data. So just for our understanding, so what we'll be writing, I'll writing it as performance as source from table name is teachers data, teachers performance. So I'll be copying this and I'll be pasting here. So what I'll do, I want to write one more query. So which I'll be taking it from teachers training because I want to show the overall score in the teacher's performance and also I want to show training score training score from teachers training tab. So I'll be taking, there are common columns which we can pick. So I'll be taking teacher underscore ID as ID, and I'll be taking as subject and training score as score. So I'm making this column as a common, and we'll be knowing the source of data from the source column, which I'm defining here, training. Yes, source from. I'll be copying this table name. So let's see. Let's execute the query. I'll just pin the tab. So okay. So here you can see as we used union operator. So it combined the select query result of two different select statements. So first four rows are from the first select statement, and second four rows are of second select statement. Through union, we combine it and we can see a master data of how the teacher is performing and what is the score he achieved in the training or any if he's doing any certification. So employee ID 101 who is teaching maths, his training score is 4.50 and its current performance is like 4.23. So you can see there are only we are getting only distinct values. So if you can see in teacher's performance, you got only distinct values. Even in teacher's training also, you got only distinct values. So if we go and check teacher's training, there are two similar employee IDs, teacher IDs, which are 101 and 101, who is teaching maths and also having same training score. And there are two different comments. So what if we take the same query and we'll change union to union all? You all get to know the difference, how this union all works and how union works. So if I execute the query, you can see it brought all the columns which are available in performance, and it also got all the columns without any duplicate values. So union all doesn't remove any duplicate value while we when we use it. So as we have earlier discussed, union all retains duplicate values, and union removes duplicate values. And as it removes or it is filtering the duplicate values. So in case of that, the performance of this query will be low. The cost will be high. Or when you were executing with union all, the performance will be faster. So it doesn't take any lot of time as it's not filtering out the data. So in the same way, if you want any unique records from the two different self queries, in the case, you can use union operator, or else when duplicate values are acceptable or required for your requirement. So in that case, you can use union all. So we have seen the difference between the union and union all, and also we got to know how to use union operator. So thank you. Subscribe the channel for more updates and keep supporting me. Thank you so much.